Hey, welcome to another house tour here in sunny San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 6145 Avenorra Drive, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, or single level house I should say, built in 1959 with 1,458 square feet here in La Mesa 91942. This house is in the Maryland Avenue Elementary School boundaries, which feeds into La Mesa Arts Academy and the highly esteemed Helix Charter High School. You're gonna love the small town feel of La Mesa, right? The village is full of independent shops and restaurants, and even closer favorites within walking distance are Antica Trattoria for date nights, the Golden Bagel, and the Brew Coffee Spot, which hosts a farmer's market or craft market every month. And Lake Murray is about a half-mile away, which is a lovely, running, walking, or hiking spot. And Cowles Mountain and Mission Trails are also very close by to provide, great outdoor activities. Avenorra Drive itself, which is the street which this house is on, is very quiet, has a lot of young families. Kids love to ride their bikes up and down the street while enjoying the sunshine. And of course, you also have easy access to both the 8 and 125 freeways. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the floor plan so that you can see how it flows, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe below so that you can be the first to learn about San Diego real estate and our housing market. Hey, my name's Jesse Morrison, real estate agent here in San Diego, and since getting started way back in 2005, I've helped hundreds of people just like you win throughout the home sale process and add tens of thousands of dollars of profit to their bottom line. So if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email using our contact information below, and we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. So one of the things that I love about this house is just how elevated it is off the off the front street, right? What it's going to do when we go up these stairs, I'll show you, but it adds a layer of privacy and security just being elevated from the street, and it also gives you plenty of beautiful views. But as we open this front gate, this is your front yard, which we'll get to in just a minute, but it's private. But here, look at that, you got Cowles Mountain, you got the neighborhood, and it's just really nice setting being elevated like that. So here's this private front entry. It is closed on both sides. But look to the right, you got that hedge there to add more privacy. And then here's your entry. It's nice and wide, and it's covered, so you don't have to worry about getting exposed to the elements there. But as you enter, check out the wood floors. You're immediately greeted with this big, bright, tons of natural light, open space, right? And these floors are solid, real wood, and they carry on throughout the house. Look at this big kitchen. It has recessed lighting, it has granite countertops, tons of cabinetry, and as you overlook the sink, it opens up to the backyard where all the entertaining will be. I'll show you that in just a second. But see that space right there where I'm pointing? That's where the TV would go. And we didn't stage it that way just to keep it clean, but that's where your TV would go. Look at how large this island is. You got 4 seats. It opens up into the main living area. This is a wood-burning fireplace. And again, backyard instantly flows. Look at all that concrete there for the kids to, draw chalk on there, ride bikes, play pickleball, all sorts of stuff. One of the cool things too is just down this hallway are all the bedrooms. This first bedroom that I'm showing you can be used as an office or a bedroom. This is the 4th bedroom of the house. It's the smallest one, but all those closet organizers are adjustable and can be changed any way you want to. You have here a linen closet that's going to service this bathroom here on the right hand side. This is it's large enough to add a dual vanity there if you wanted to. You have a tub, but this is a great bathroom because it services all 3 of the bedrooms outside of the master. So the one that we just came from, we got this one here, look at how private this bedroom is. Right, you got the hedge there to block it out, stays shaded. That is the front entry, if you remember, right? And then, let's see here. We have more cabinetry here. That's a great place for a vacuum or a mop, or here's more linens, bedding, anything going there. There's the other bedroom, but I want to show you the master first, right? This bed is about a queen size bed, so there's plenty of space in here. It's bright, overlooks the front of the house towards Cowles Mountain. Again, that elevated setting is so private. Let's go into the bathroom here for just a sec and show you this. That's me in the mirror. Hi. All right, so we got the dual vanity sink. We have a glass enclosed shower with beautiful tile work. You have custom lighting in the bedroom. This closet also has those custom organizers that are adjustable. You can see that it can be moved around however you want to. And again, here's that last bedroom. It also faces out towards the front yard. But notice how bright all these rooms are. This is all natural light. The time of this recording is about 10 o'clock in the morning. So the sun is, towards the backyard, and it's still this bright in the house. But let's go ahead and make our way through towards the backyard. This door that we're going to come out or go out to the backyard in would be the door that you would enter if you were, coming from your garage, which is the building just there to the left. This is the dining area. It has string lights, and right here, if you look over this fence, this is the front entry. If you wanted to know where our setting is, you have a water feature, custom water fountain there. But that building again there to the right is your oversized 2-car garage. Look, if you're sitting in these chairs here, you can look to the left. That's where the kids would be playing, or to the right where you're entertaining and dining. But look at all the concrete. This is super fun for the kids. It stays closed from the main drive. As you're coming up, you got the playhouse there. That garage is quite large, about 600 square feet. There's your driveway. But that garage is 600 square feet. It could be converted into an ADU if you wanted to, which would be a great value add. You got artificial turf, and again, look up the hill. More privacy. Nobody's looking in on your backyard, and more entertaining here, right? You got a custom built fireplace there that is plumbed for natural gas. You have an avocado tree, tons of outside seating, and you can notice the TV built in. Watch the Super Bowl games there. That awning is retractable. Let's go over to the playhouse. I want to show you what it looks like inside, because this playhouse conveys with the sale. It's quite large. It's got plenty of room to play in. It does have lighting in there. You'd have to plug it in to like an electrical cord or something, but this is the house, guys. It's awesome, and I can't wait to make it yours. Thank you so much for touring 6145 Avenorra Drive with me. If anyone you care about could benefit from any of this information, please just make sure to share this video using the share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email using the contact information in the description below, and we can talk about your next best steps and how to make that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to helping.